A natural history museum, like the one we see in the film, is very much like the human mind. Just as a museum preserves fossils and artifacts to reconstruct the history of life and the planet, the mind stores memories and expectations that shape who we are and how we behave. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, used to describe himself as an archaeologist of the mind. He established an interesting analogy between the work of an archaeologist and that of a psychoanalyst. Just as an archaeologist digs to uncover ancient civilizations and goes beyond what is visible to understand how those societies lived and thought, the psychoanalyst digs into the human mind, bringing to light repressed memories, desires, and emotions that remain buried and may explain a person's behavior and inner conflicts. Both share the goal of reconstructing hidden stories to better understand the past and how it continues to influence the present and may influence the future. Another interesting connection between the film's elements and psychoanalysis is the idea that, in the story, the museum's objects come to life at night. This can be interpreted as a representation of what occurs in dreams, from a psychoanalytic perspective. Freud said that dreams are like a window into the unconscious, a space where the objects of our mental past, desires, fears, and conflicts, come to life because the censorship of the conscious mind is relaxed. From this perspective, we can interpret the museum in the film as a reflection of Larry's inner world, and his job as a kind of therapeutic process. Just like the museum he tries to take care of, Larry's life is steeped in chaos. He feels lost, insecure, and struggles to find stability while trying to be a good role model for his son. His job is to maintain order in the museum, preventing the unruly objects from causing problems inside or outside that space. To do this, he must learn about each object and understand its history. Similarly, to maintain our own psychological balance and prevent internal conflicts from affecting our external life, it is essential to explore our inner collection of memories, emotions, and desires. By understanding the origin and meaning of these fragments, we can find stability, integrate them into our personal narrative, and develop more effective tools to cope with suffering and life's challenges. So, Larry's challenge of organizing and confronting the chaos in the museum can be seen as his need to deal with his own inner disorder. Only by doing so can he achieve stability in his personal life.